Today, we're here at the National Library of Australia in Canberra for the final event in the international workshop series DARIAH Beyond Europe. This time it's being co-coordinated with the Humanities, Arts and Culture Data Summit. What we're going to be doing over the next 3 days is to explore data-driven research in the arts and humanities through seeing the differences and the similarities, the challenges and the opportunities between Europe and Australia, and how we can work on those together in international collaboration. So this event has been co-organised by the Australian Academy of the Humanities, the Australian Research Data Commons, together with DARIAH. So it's been really important to bring the directors from these 3 different institutions together and see how we can all work together towards humanities data infrastructure.
This event and our collaboration and exchange with DARIAH is really fundamental to some of the key objectives the Academy of the Humanities is seeking to develop and foster in the next 5 to 10 years. In that exchange between Australia and Europe, we would be looking forward to developing new and innovative research that doesn't exist yet, that would be asking questions that we don't know yet. And so it's really an exchange about opening up new avenues of inquiry for research.
Having an event like this for the DARIAH community is really important because what it allows us to do is to break out of our usual silos and come to understand not only the research culture and the research and the level of infrastructure provision going on in a completely different system, but to bring that knowledge back and to maybe question and improve our own processes back in Europe and our provision for our members in DARIAH.
Having close links and good communications with international infrastructures such as DARIAH is critical for ARDC. We're at this really important inflection point in Australia around how we deal with national scale research infrastructure for the humanities, arts and social sciences sectors, and I think we really need leadership and guidance and some of that knowledge sharing from organisations such as DARIAH.
In addition to the big ideas panels on day 1, we've brought many researchers, practitioners together on the second 2 days, and we've been really working on exchanging knowledge between the different groups of people.
As a European researcher participating in this event, this knowledge exchange session has helped me realise that there are a lot of issues shared between Australian and European academics when it comes to the position of the humanities and finding funding for the humanities.
So I found the knowledge exchange session really useful. It's just really interesting to listen to initiatives that are trying to do very similar things to what we're trying to do. So when you listen to people talk about systems that are searching large amounts of text, frustrations around managing funding for ongoing digitisation, providing access to multiple languages in one place, these are all exactly the same problems that we're dealing with. And in some examples you've got solutions we haven't thought of, and in others we've got solutions that they might not have thought of. It's a really rich thinking opportunity. It was fantastic.
The atmosphere has been really amazing. It's been buzzing with so many different ideas, some shared challenges, but also opportunities. It's wonderful to see what Australian colleagues are doing, how it's similar to our European colleagues, but where the differences are. So this has been really the start of some interesting collaborations, which I really hope will continue into the future.